Welcome to Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories. Welcome to the wonderful and diverse world of succulents. These unique plants have captivated gardeners and plant enthusiasts for generations. These fascinating plants thrive where others struggle, flourishing in some of the harshest environments on Earth. They call deserts, mountains, and even rainforests their home, showcasing their incredible versatility and resilience. What's their secret? Succulents are masters of adaptation, evolving over millennia to survive in extreme conditions. They store water in their plump leaves, stems, and roots, allowing them to endure long periods without rainfall. This remarkable ability enables them to survive long periods of drought, making them some of the most resilient plants on the planet. Their resilience is truly remarkable, as they can withstand conditions that would be fatal to most other plants. Succulents come in a dazzling array of shapes, sizes and colors, each with its own unique charm and beauty. From the spiky agave to the delicate Echeveria, there's a succulent for everyone, no matter your taste or style. Get ready to discover a world of botanical wonders where each succulent tells a story of survival and beauty. Imagine a place with a scorching sun beating down relentlessly and very little rain to quench the thirst of the land. This is where succulents truly shine and demonstrate their incredible resilience. Their secret weapon? It's their remarkable ability to store water within their leaves and stems. Over time, succulents have evolved amazing ways to collect and store water, ensuring their survival in the harshest of conditions. Their leaves and stems act like reservoirs, holding precious water for when it's needed most. This ingenious adaptation allows them to endure long periods of dryness and continue to thrive. But it doesn't stop there. Succulents have a variety of other adaptations that make them even more remarkable. These plants have other tricks up their sleeves, each one more fascinating than the last. Some succulents have developed shallow root systems that allow them to quickly absorb rainwater before it evaporates. Others have waxy coatings on their leaves to reduce water loss, ensuring they stay hydrated for longer periods. Talk about being prepared for anything nature throws at them. Step into a succulent garden and you'll be amazed by the sheer diversity and splendor of these resilient plants. These fascinating plants come in an incredible variety of shapes and sizes, each more intriguing than the last. Each succulent is unique and beautiful, showcasing nature's creativity and adaptability. Some succulents, like the Hawithia, form compact rosettes that are both intricate and mesmerizing. Others, such as the sedum, cascade downwards with trailing stems, creating a lush, flowing effect. And then there are the giants, like the majestic saguaro cactus, reaching skyward with their towering presence. The colors of succulents are just as diverse as their forms, offering a visual feast for the eyes. From deep greens and soothing blues to vibrant reds, fiery oranges and regal purples, succulents add a splash of color to any space, whether indoors or out, making them a versatile choice for any garden or home decor. Section 4. Aloe. Vera and Echeveria, stars of the succulent world. In the vast and diverse world of succulents, two names shine exceptionally brightly: Aloe Vera and Echeveria. Aloe Vera, renowned for its healing gel, has been prized for centuries across various cultures and civilizations. Its medicinal properties are well documented, soothing burns, cuts and skin irritations with remarkable efficacy. Truly it's a gift from nature, offering both beauty and practical benefits. Echeveria, on the other hand, captivates the hearts of many with its stunning beauty and elegance. Its rosette-shaped leaves come in a breathtaking array of colours and patterns, making it a visual delight. These characteristics make Echeveria a perennial favorite among succulent enthusiasts and collectors alike. Section 5. Creating your own succulent haven, tips for care and propagation. Want to bring the beauty and charm of succulents into your home? These resilient plants can transform any space into a green oasis. Good news! They are relatively easy to care for, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. Succulents thrive in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Ensure they get plenty of sunlight without being exposed to harsh, direct rays. Water them thoroughly when the soil is dry to the touch. This usually means watering once every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on your climate and the season. Remember, overwatering is their worst enemy. Too much water can lead to root rot and other issues. Propagating succulents is also simple and rewarding. It allows you to expand your collection or share with friends. Take cuttings from healthy plants and let them callus over for a few days. This step is crucial to prevent rot when they're planted. Then plant them in well-draining soil and watch them grow. With a little patience and care, you'll have new succulents thriving in no time. Section 6. Succulents in style. Inspiration from gardens and homes. Succulents aren't just for deserts anymore. These resilient plants have found their way into modern homes, thriving in unexpected places and non-desert environments. They have become increasingly popular in homes and gardens around the world, adding a unique touch to indoor and outdoor spaces alike. From stunning succulent walls that create living art pieces to miniature fairy gardens that bring a touch of whimsy, the design possibilities are truly endless. You can find unique arrangements and creative setups that suit any style or preference. Their unique shapes, textures and vibrant colors add a touch of modern elegance to any space, making them a favorite among interior designers and garden enthusiasts. The book Succulent Style offers a wealth of inspiration, showcasing a variety of ways to incorporate these versatile plants into your living spaces. It highlights creative ideas for succulent decor, both indoors and outdoors, helping you transform your home and garden into a lush green oasis. Section 7. Guardians of the Desert, the ecological importance of succulents. In the harsh and unforgiving arid ecosystems, succulents play an incredibly vital role in maintaining ecological balance. These remarkable plants are true guardians of the desert, supporting a delicate web of life that includes a variety of flora and fauna. Their unique ability to store water in their leaves, stems or roots provides a crucial source of hydration for many desert animals, especially during prolonged dry spells. Birds, insects, and even larger mammals, such as lizards and small rodents, rely heavily on succulents for their survival, finding both nourishment and hydration. Moreover, succulents play a significant role in preventing soil erosion, which is a common issue in desert environments. Their extensive root systems bind the soil together, protecting it from the erosive forces of wind and rain, thereby maintaining the integrity of the landscape. Succulents are essential for maintaining the health and stability of desert ecosystems, ensuring that these unique environments continue to thrive despite the challenging conditions. Thank you for watching Learning Life content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories.